Yes, students, yesterday I have given you a question to do as homework. So the question was that the oil does not evaporate clear and water does. Okay, if you observe that we have done the activity test for fats. So in that case, if you have also done it and observe it, if you have done the activity in the morning and if you observe it in the evening, the oil pads still be there. Okay, on the other side, if we put water on that paper, it will evaporate after some time. So why it is happening? As a oil, it is heavier than water. Actually it is a complex substance. Okay, and its consistency is also more than the water. Clear? So as it is a complex substance, the the molecules that are present in oil are tightly bound. Okay, therefore it is वो थोड़ा सा ज्यादा थोड़ा सा गाढ़ा होता है as compared to water. Clear? So the molecules are tightly packed with each other. In the case of water, it is not that much complex as oil. उसमें जो molecules are that are not that much tightly packed. Okay, so water evaporates and oil does not. And another thing also that uh, in the case of oil, when we heat the oil, the heat will break the molecules. Okay, but it does not evaporate. Clear? And in the case of water, when we even we uh, don't heat it, it will still evaporate. क्लियर? जो हीटिंग है वो उसको सिर्फ उसके जो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं वो ब्रेक हो जाते हैं पर वो इवेपोरेट नहीं होते हैं. क्लियर? एंड नेक्स्ट इज another question that the students have asked, that the oil floats on water. So oil does not get mixed with the water, it is a different thing. Clear? Oil, the density is of the oil and water is different, so it will float. The oil is floating on the surface of water. Clear? It does not get dissolved in water. Clear? जो ऑयल है, पेट्रोल है, ये वाटर के साथ मिक्स नहीं होते हैं, इनकी डेंसिटी डिफरेंट होती है. क्लियर? इसलिए ये मिक्स नहीं होते हैं. ओके, यू कैन, अगर आप घर में रूह अफ़ज़ा या कैश बनाते हो वो मिक्स हो जाता है क्योंकि लाइक डिजॉल्व्स लाइक. बट ऑयल और वाटर दोनों डिफरेंट सब्सटेंसेस हैं, इनकी जो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं इनमें बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है, इसलिए वो उसके ऊपर फ्लोट करता है. क्लियर? This thing you will study in the further classes. Okay, so next start with the table 2.2, nutrients present in some food items. Students, you will answer me. Raise your hands who have completed table 2.2. Yes, Tanishka, you will give me the first answer. Food item raw potato.
Ma'am, yes, raw potato has starch, but it does not have fat because it is not cooked.
Yes, the answer is starch. You will the three are given. Okay, so the milk contains a protein and the groundnut, it also the groundnut contains fat. The three are given. And the next one is uncooked powdered rice. Yes, Prisha?
Ma'am, uncooked powdered rice have starch, but it doesn't have fat.
Yes, the uncooked powdered rice have starch. So you will write in the first column, or you will write yes. Okay, and the next one is cooked rice. Harshpreet Singh.
Ma'am, cooked rice have starch but no fat.
Yes, very good. Next is dry coconut. Yes, Avni?
Dry coconut does not have starch, but it has fat.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt that milk doesn't contain fat.
It contains fat.
So, ma'am, why we have not written it? Yes, in fat
Actually,
column.
we will do the test for protein. Okay, then you will come to know that it also contain protein. Okay, there is not a single thing that is single nutrient that is present. Okay, other things are also, other nutrients are also present. Clear? And next is uncooked tur dal, that is powdered. It contains this. The experiment for dal we will do it today. Okay, then you will come to know. And the next, a slice of any vegetable. Yes, Gaurav.
मैम आपने एक मिस कर दिया कुक्ड दाल.
Yes, for the dal we will do the experiment today. Okay, I have the setup, I have the apparatus for that. Clear? Then you will come to know about it. Okay, a slice of any vegetable. Yes, Gaurav, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Ghazal, can you answer, bache? For a slice of any vegetable. Yes, students, in this the answer is starch. In a slice of any fruit, the answer is starch. Okay, the things that are left, boiled egg, uncooked dal or cooked dal, the answer here is protein. Yeah. So we will perform the test for protein today. Can you tell me the sources of protein? Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम
Ma'am, what are you asking? Please tell me again.
I am asking, what are the sources of protein? You have studied in the previous class also. So I am asking.
Milk, eggs, pulses, fish, meat, soya bean.
Protein and the next, sorry, egg yolk, जो egg white है, yolk नहीं इसका, जो egg white है उसमें भी protein होता है. Yeah. So today we will perform the test. Come on the page number, open page number 10. Test for protein. So I have the apparatus here. It is test tube stand. Yeah.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Yes.
मैम सॉरी टू डिस्टर्ब यू. मैम मुझे ये पूछना था, बॉइल्ड एग वाइट प्रोटीन में क्या लिखेंगे?
It is protein, बच्चे.
मैम ओके.
Yes. In the egg, white protein is present. So it is test tube. Clear, students? Please observe it carefully. It is test tube because we are using it, the tube that is used for testing. Clear? So it is test tube. And what is this? I have told you yesterday also.
Beaker.
Beaker and
Dropper.
dropper. Yes. So it is spatula. Spatula. Okay. So I am taking dal. I have taken powdered. You are able to see? It is moong dal. I have crushed it here. So what is the first process? I am reading the para. Take a small quantity of a food item for testing. I have choose moong dal. If the food you want to test is a solid, you first need to make a paste of it or powder it. So I have grind it and I formed a powder form. Okay. Grind or mash a small quantity of the food item. Put some of this in a clean test tube. So the first step is to add this moong dal in the test tube with the help of spatula. Here. So I am adding small amount of moong dal into it. Here. And then what we have to do? Add 10 drops of water to it and shake the test tube. So I will add water. It is water. Here. I will add 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So students, I am just adding more water to it because the sample is more. Okay. So that it will be more visible to you also. So I am adding more water. Okay. So it is visible to you all. I have added water into the dal. Clear? Now next, what you have to do? Shake it. Shake the test tube. Now we have to shake it in this way. Clear? And next is now using a dropper, add 2 drops of solution of copper sulfate. So students, it is copper sulfate. I have prepared the solution, okay, by adding copper sulfate that is in the powder form into the water. Clear? So it is bluish in color. Copper sulfate is bluish in color. Now we have to add 2 drops, just 2 drops of copper sulfate into the test tube. Clear? 1 and 2. Here. So I have added 2 drops. Then we have to shake it. And next is we have to add 10 drops of caustic soda. It is solution of caustic soda. I have prepared it. I will tell you how I prepared it. Okay. Otherwise, we can, if the regular classes are going on, I will take you in the laboratory, and then I will show to you how to prepare it. Here. So I am adding 10 drops of NaOH into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you are observing the change that is happening.
Ma'am.
Yes, so just give me a minute. So the change, what you have observed now, tell me.
It is dark blue in color.
Blue in color.
It is changed.
Its color is changed.
Yes, due to the high protein content, that the color is more darker. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, so moong dal protein is very high in it is present in high amount, so there is darkish in the color. So this dark violet color shows the presence of the protein. Clear? So this is clear to you all. So I will tell you. Firstly, so in the preparation in the test of starch, I have used two solutions. Water is also used, but two solutions that I have prepared. Here the first one is copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution. And the next one is the caustic soda. I have used caustic soda. Its another name is sodium hydroxide. There is no need to learn it, but for your knowledge, I am telling you that the other name of the caustic soda is sodium hydroxide. Clear? So the next is how I have prepared these. Now I will tell you how I have prepared this. What I have done, please open page number 9. Come to the page number 9. There is a box, yellow box that is given. Okay, listen to me carefully. So what I have done in the yesterday test for the starch, which solution I have used? Can anyone tell me? For starch test,
Iodine.
iodine
Iodine
solution.
solution.
Okay, so
Iodine
very good.
solution.
Listen, iodine solution is used.
Solution.
Yes, very good. So in the iodine solution, what I
iodine
have done, okay. What I have done, I have taken the powdered iodine and then diluted it with water. Simple. Here I take iodine, powdered iodine, then add water to it. Here it is very easy. Now in the first a dilute solution, dilute, I told you yesterday that dilute means we are adding water to it. A dilute solution of iodine can be prepared by adding few drops of tincture iodine to a test tube half filled with water. Here I have taken the iodine, okay, and then add water into it. Here. Next, the copper sulfate solution that we have that I have made today, bluish in color. So copper sulfate, how I prepared it? Copper sulfate solution can be prepared by dissolving 2 grams of copper sulfate in 100 ml of water. Students, I don't need 100 ml of water because it is very large in amount. We only need 2 drops of copper sulfate. So there is no need to prepare 100 ml. Okay, so to reduce the wastage. Okay, so I have prepared the solution in 25 ml. For example, अगर 2 ग्राम के लिए हमें 100 ml लग रहा है, then I half the amount. For 1 gram it is 50 ml, and then if we still half it, then what will be the answer? 0.5 gram in 25 ml. Clear? Just listen to me. See here. If 2 gram uses 100 ml of water, here 1 gram will use 50 ml. Here, and I have just used 0.5 gram and 25 ml. The thing will be same. Okay, there is no change in the solution. Clear? बस क्या किया है हमने उसकी वेस्टेज को अवॉइड किया है. Clear? हमें इतना चाहिए ही नहीं ज्यादा. So in the next case also 10 gram of caustic soda dissolved in 100 ml of water. Similarly, I have reduced the amount of caustic soda, that is sodium hydroxide. अगर वो 10 ग्राम caustic soda के लिए 100 ml लग रहा था, so I don't need 100 ml of water. So what I have done, I have just used 1 gram here, and then I have prepared the solution in 10 ml. You are seeing this here. I waste 10 gram of NaOH. So to avoid the wastage, I just use 1 gram of the solution. This is the thing that you are not preparing the solution. Teacher will prepare the solution, as it is harmful to use the chemicals. Okay. इस जो टीचर हम ही बनाएंगे, आपके जो आप ऐसे एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं कर पाओगे क्योंकि अभी आप छोटे हो. Clear? In the further classes you can do it. Okay, because precautions in the laboratories, precautions are must. You have to follow all the instructions of the teachers. Clear? Now we have done test for proteins also, fats also, and starch also. Clear? In the test of starch, we have used which food item that I have used?
Potato.
Potato. And what is the name of solution? Iodine solution. आपको पता है iodine solution? Betadine सुना है आपने? Betadine, that is used as antiseptic.
Yes.
Iodine solution
Yes, ma'am.
is betadine.
Yes.
Yeah. You know this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. If you know this thing, those students who don't know this thing, keep this in mind, that the iodine solution is a betadine solution that is used as antiseptic. Clear? And the next we have done for the test for the protein. What are the two solutions that we have used?
Copper sulfate solution.
Caustic soda, and second one is
Copper sulfate.
copper sulfate.
Sulfate.
Copper sulfate. ठीक है? The sodium hydroxide, it exists in a pellet form. Means के उसके थोड़े छोटे छोटे से ऐसे गोलियां सी होती हैं white color की. ठीक है? आपको तभी दिखा नहीं, मैंने अभी यहाँ पे लाई नहीं हूँ, नहीं तो आपको दिखा देती. ठीक है? एंड ब्लू जो कॉपर सल्फेट है, इसका जो पाउडर फॉर्म है जो वो भी ब्लू ही होता है. यू कैन सी यहाँ पे जो सेटल डाउन किया हुआ है. यू आर एबल टू सी? ये सोल्यूशन है, ऊपर देखिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Settle down here. In the same way, actually, I left it undisturbed. So in the case of sodium hydroxide, it is also settled down. Clear? ऊपर solution है, नीचे थोड़ा सा settle down किया गया. यहाँ पे. It is not visible. I know. Okay. So.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम क्या आप एक बार लिख दोगे कि मैम वो कास्टिक सोडा का क्या कहते हैं उसको?
NaOH, it is sodium hydroxide. Actually, you will study the formula in the further classes. So therefore, I have not told you that it is NaOH. Yes, it is NaOH. Okay, you just only know this, that the caustic soda, the another name is the sodium hydroxide. Sargunpreet, you are saying something? Okay. If we do the test for protein, that is in milk also, it will show change in color because milk contain protein. For the egg white, it will also show the test for protein. Clear? So there will be color change in color that will be observed. Yes, so students, kindly mark your attendance also. And the moong dal, it will also show moong dal that we have done. Another one is chana dal. Yes, chana dal भी टेस्ट जो है प्रोटीन के लिए शो करता है because it contain proteins. जो pulses है, there is presence of proteins. Here in the beans, the proteins is also present. You will read the test, okay, and I will ask you question from it, that what we have observed,